out here in the resale garage. Right now I got the Claude bot searching Nellis for me. I've also got some orders I need to pick here. Again, here are the orders that we had to go through and pick. Everything from this Grow Links hub for 200 bucks down to something I do in our reselling business is put nice bags on everything. This has already got a pretty nice box, looks new, but ideally you want them. Medium white bag and secure it up. Pay for it. Dehumidifier that's sold. I'm gonna click get shipping label. Right here it's gonna populate my weight, dimensions. I already have all those already put in, so it's pretty easy. Right here you'll check your different shipping options. Here's FedEx and print. $171.34 is net of the ad fee, shipping fee, and transaction fee. So all in, we made 170 bucks on that guy. Stuff. 7613, F2 7613. So we just sold this assembly. We're gonna go to F2